It's among the many stories that have currently gotten the attention of the whole country at large. The story of Kelvin Kiptum's alleged sidechick or baby mama, who claims now that she was living with Kelvin Kiptum until their child was born. A 22-year-old woman who claims to have had a child with wild record holder Kelvin Kiptum revealed intricate details of a secret relationship with the Maradona on Thursday, February 22nd. In a media statement, EDNA Ward described Kiptum as a loving father who took care of the baby's needs. She also mentioned that before his tragic demise in a car accident, Kiptum had promised to send her money to support her financially. And I shall quote her, "The last time I spoke with him was that Sunday when he informed me that he was coming to Eldoret and he would provide me with the cash I needed to cater to the baby's needs," she stated. Edna explained that they shared an intimate relationship and lived together as a family. "We have been living together. The only time we didn't is when I gave birth and had to go back to my parents' home," she added. The 22-year-old claimed that Kiptum's relatives failed to recognize her and the baby, and she was locked out of the burial process. She also alleged that the family chose not to include the minor in the eulogy. She filed a petition in court to halt Kiptum's burial process, scheduled for Friday, which took place yesterday on February 23rd, pending the hearing of the case. She also sought an order for the athlete's DNA sample to be taken to prove the baby's paternity. And I shall quote her, "I filed the petition because we sired a baby with the late Kiptum and sought legal grounds to ensure that baby is taken care of. Now that he is gone, I don't know who will be assisting me to take care of the baby. She is 1 year and 7 months." It is also important that the court acknowledges the baby belongs to Kiptum. Justice Robert Wanand of the High Court, however, declined to grant the orders confirming that the athlete's burial was a matter of public interest. Burial arrangements of the deceased are at an advanced stage and thereof. Stopping the burial may be disruptive, considering the resources that have been put in by the government, the judge ruled on Thursday, February 22nd. In nearly related news, yesterday, Kiptum's widow Asnath Rotich penned a heartfelt tribute to the late ahead of his burial. In her eulogy, Asnath celebrated Kiptum as the best husband and father to her children, as she confessed to never envisioning staying with her kids without the runner's presence. She went on to reveal that they were set to have a colorful wedding this April. Now, the matter is not about the baby mama. The matter right now is about the matter is not about the wife, the acknowledged wife by the government and the family. The matter is about this woman by the name of Edna. It is claimed that she had an intimate relationship with Kiptum, but the family failed to recognize her. The family failed to even mention a baby's name in the eulogy, which prompted the country to start looking for answers by themselves. And in regards to looking for answers on whether this woman had really sired with Kiptum, Mike Sonko has assured the world and the people and all the Kenyans that he will make sure that this lady gets what she deserves, because she had a romantic relationship with Kiptum and she deserves the best for a child. Because you know what? Kiptum recognized his child. He never at any time went ahead to dismiss that he had a child with this woman. And now it is clear that the family does not want to recognize that Kiptum had a child outside the wedlock. For now, these are among the trading news. We are waiting to see how the story unfolds. Even MP Kaluma has also gone ahead to say that he will work his ass off to make sure that Peter Kaluma has said that he will secure inheritance for Kiptum's alleged son and suggested even he might push for an exhumation of Kiptum's body, so that it can be determined that really Edna and Kiptum had a child together. Ni kati ya story ambazo zinagonga vyombo vya habari katika kila kona ya Jamhuri ya Kenya. What do you have to say in regards to this? I want your comment on the comment section. See you on the next video. This is FM Show KE and my name is Felix Mwenda.